The Department of Homeland Security has issued a pro-moment warning for the following districts: Ligma, Sugma, Bofa, and Sugandis. Numerous instances of pro-moments being triggered by cringe normies have recently occurred across the continental United States. These individuals are believed to be extremely dangerous and should not be approached. Citizens are instructed to remain inside and lock their doors. Under no circumstances should any citizen say bruh. In reaction to an action performed by a cringe normie, store the following items in a secure location: Jocoins, V-Bucks, Jekime's foreskin, poop socks, jewel pots, ball crushers, and dip. Remain tuned for further instructions.